Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be revealing and helping you edit your chalkboard graduation party invitation with me. So let's dive on in. First, let's personalize this design. To do so, click on the big blue Personalize This Design button located on the right-hand side of your screen. It'll bring up a pop-up with all of the easy to edit text and your photo. So let's start by erasing the pre-filled text and replacing it with our own. Okay, to edit the photo, click on the Replace button underneath all of the text boxes. This will bring up your media that you have saved with Zazzle if you're signed in, or you can drag and drop your media or click the Upload Media button on the left-hand side. I'm going to select one of my images I already have available, and as you can see, when it uploaded, we are going to need to adjust it. So to adjust the image, click on the Adjust button next to the Replace button. This will now allow you to drag and make it smaller or bigger. You can move the photo up or down, whatever looks best for you in your photo with this invitation. When you're finished, click Done. Now, if you want to personalize this design a little bit more and customize some of the text, you can change the colors by clicking Edit Using Design Tool. That's underneath all of the text in that little pre-pop-up box. That's going to bring you over to the designer page where, like I said, you can change the fonts, you can change the colors of the fonts, whatever you want to do here. And to change the color of the font, we already have the name selected. We're going to move over to the right-hand side of the screen and click on the color box. Then what I'm going to do is use the eyedropper tool, and I'm going to move over to the cap of the girl. It's a little bit dark and I don't fully love that color. So now I'm going to click on Custom Color Picker, and I'm going to slide the color that was already selected up a little to give it a little bit of a lighter color. Once you're finished making the changes that you want, click the green Done button located at the top right-hand side of your screen. A pop-up will appear asking if you would like to save your design. You can sign into your Zazzle account from here or select Maybe Later. Now we're back to the main product page. Here we can add our quantity that we need, and then we can click Add to Cart. A new pop-up will appear showing that it was added to your cart, where you can now click the new yellow button that says View Cart and Checkout to proceed with the checkout process. I hope that this quick tutorial helped with editing your invitations with us. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you right away. In the meantime, if you wouldn't mind taking a quick second to liking this video or subscribing to my channel, I would truly appreciate it. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day.